This, ladies and gentlemen, is Garbage Day, January 15th, 1997. Ben, tell me, come here, get off those rocks. Tell Daddy what it means to be a garbage man.
I want to be a garbage man right now.
And the reason why all the excitement is right there. It's called the garbage truck. I don't know.
Yes, Daddy.
It's what?
UPS.
UPS is there too? Oh, you're right. Right behind the garbage man, see down there? There is UPS. Isn't that amazing? Well, let's go down here. Ben, stop.
What?
Look over, get over here. Get over there. Look at Daddy. Look at the camera. Tell Daddy what you want to be when you get big.
A garbage man.
Look at me. Look at her. How come you want to be a garbage man? Do garbage sounds.
I did.
And there's the excitement. This is the most exciting day for Ben, huh, Ben? You like garbage day?
Yeah, garbage day.
Yeah, that's right. And there's all the excitement. There's the garbage truck. This is Ben's day. All the.
I can pick up the garbage.
Well, why do you think he picks up the garbage?
He does some bad garbage.
He picks it up, huh? Whoa! Ben, stand up. What are you doing on the ground? Huh? There it is, and garbage is starting to come. There's the garbage man right back there loading it in, huh, Ben? Whoa, there's Ben the boy waiting and waiting for this truck. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. There goes Ben. He's over there with the garbage man. Look at him go.
How are you today?
There he goes. Hey, there he goes. Here he comes, Ben. Here he comes. This is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, Ben, don't get too close.
Here, come here.
Go in, Ben.
You just come here. Let it go on that one. Roll hard.
Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? That's great, Ben.
Push that yellow one right there.
Oh, push the yellow button.
All right.
Whoa! That is so cool. Ben, what do you think? There he is. This is Ben the boy on Garbage Day, helping the garbage man.
I don't like garbage smell me.
Yes, he does. He's got everything in that truck, Ben. Yes. Oh, boy. Here he comes, Ben. Here he comes.
Here we go again. Go ahead and pull on it.
Real hard.
Go hard. Going back.
Woo!
Thank you, sir.
Say bye. See you later. Thanks. There he goes, Ben. Whoa. We are in the next yard. Ben has followed the garbage man. Yes. He's out of his mind. He loves this so much. He's going to pick something up for the garbage man. Go ahead, Ben. Give that to him. You didn't know you were going to have a helper today, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. Watch this, Ben. Watch this.
Yellow button.
Yellow button, Ben. Wonderful.
Hit that yellow button.
All right. Ben's been hitting yellow buttons all day. Okay, Ben. There it is.